Ghana Mampenyi His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo-Addo na kache na Nana Akuffo-Addo ede futu ama eye Supreme Court judges Mr. Muafo mpanimfo wo man mu se wasrada sade mranete no wonfa de saa nya adwuma wose so pese ebuo ba wo mo se de ebuo ewo atemu adwuma no dada no na opese wo hyemu kena mpopre de a ene wonhwe na sade wo mbebu aten sade wo ne ye no no matie nyina no ebefa mra kwa so sabi obu esefata no wonsabeka.
Abra Supreme Court Judge Minu Awapa Wonum Justice Barbara Francis Akayensu ene Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu eso afunemu eso aye ewo omanpanyin atenaye na omanpanyin Adodanko Akuffo-Addo edeto wonum animu se wonum emfa mra enye adwuma se ne beye a obenya ebu ani nidie afiri womanfo honom modane di se wonum adwuma wo kwa akoye ewo Supreme Court honom no eyade se ehu hia pa ne senti ehu behia se wonum nso ebe wonum adwuma no ewo akwanpa so se ne beye a beboa wo manyi enkan koro.
I refer to Justice Barbara Francis Akayensu and Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu, who have been appointed to succeed two justices of the court, the late Justice Samuel Mafosao, who passed away on 10th August 2021, and Justice Yao Apao, who retired on 2nd August 2021. I await Parliament's approval of the two remaining nominees, Justice George Kingsley Kumson and Justice Ernest Yao Deu, to fill the vacancies created as a result of the retirement of Justice Clemens Honyenuga.
Osande to wonum wanimu se yi a wonum ekoye adwuma ewo Supreme Court honom no omomodin ase rule of law omanfo eka ne bribia no odi beye adwuma ne mum enya de se edo omanfo no a wo ka ne kwa.
Justices, more so justices of the Supreme Court, must be learned, know their case law, and ensure their decisions and judgments are properly motivated. It is in this manner that judges contribute to the orderly development of the nation. So to our new Supreme Court judges, it is extremely important for you to bear in mind that the growth of our nation demands that we have a judiciary that commands the respect of the people by the quality of its delivery of justice, as well as by the comportment of its judges.
Justice Barbara Francis Akayensu enyo ofofra osu afunemu esu aye no edeto omanpanyi animu se obebu adwumaden ede aboa omanfo ene omanmu ni nyina.
It is both a privilege and a humbling opportunity to be nominated among many other qualified persons and approved to serve on the highest court of our land. The enormity of the task ahead is not lost on us. That is the more reason why we give God all the glory and thanks for this recognition.